Hey guys, I am face masking. I wanted to document really quick today. Sitting in the grass, my yard is so undone. For those of you who don't know, I moved. I bought a house in April. This is my very first house. And the yard is quite undone. The only thing is I had artificial grass installed. I do have real grass on the side for my dog. But yeah, this isn't about that, but I just wanted to explain the chaos happening. Okay, so check me out. You see my hair? 2-strand twists. Wanted to document today, June 16th, to be the day that I started a new journey. You guys, you'll be surprised, but I decided to go ahead and lock my hair. Why? First off, I feel like such a hypocrite because for so many years, people have always said, oh my God, you should get locks. You look so great with locks. And I would always say, I can't. Like, that's too much commitment because once you go, you can't turn back, which I know that you can comb locks out. I've seen it before, which is really cool, but I'd always said, no, they're not for me. I love them, but they're not for me. My mom's hair is locked, and I started her locks, and they're flourishing, and she has so much fun with them. She actually uses color. I myself, I'm not an advocate for coloring hair, dyeing my hair, but her locks look so lovely, and I always admire locks. I just thought that they weren't for me. However, your girl just looked back at previous videos and I realized that I, not just videos on YouTube, but things that I had saved on my phone and just like my personal life documentation. Your girl has been wearing 2-strand twists for nearly a year. And the only reason I would take them out is to retwist them so that they didn't lock, to wash and retwist. And so funny. I'm like, and the reason why I really loved to twist my hair is because I have a 1.5-year-old and he's super busy, and I'm juggling so much, and it had gotten to the point where my hair was just, I loved my hair, but it was just really a chore, and I found myself not filming because my hair wasn't done. My hair wasn't up to par to my standards. So my biggest reason for locking is because I feel like it'll be so much easier, like, for my lifestyle. Like, I can just, I won't have to feel like, oh my God, I look a hot mess. Because when I didn't have a twist out, I would feel like I looked a hot mess. When I didn't have a braid out, I'd feel like I looked a hot mess. When I rocked my twists or when I rocked my braids and pulled them back in a little low bun, I was on point. I don't want to worry about my head all of the time. So I went ahead and did my 2-strand twists. I started 2 days ago. I didn't work on them yesterday, so I worked on them the day before yesterday and just finished today. I worked on these sections the day before yesterday. Oh yeah, and that one. And then I finished the rest today. So I basically did half on Thursday and then the other half today, which is Saturday. So right now I'm currently doing a face mask. That was my AC that went off. Right now I'm currently doing a face mask. Time to wash this off. It's just a mud mask. And I will release my hair today, and then I'm sure I'll end up counting them and like putting up like how many I have. But I read online that it could take, you know, like 6 months to a year before your hair begins to lock. And I don't think it'll take a year for me. When I keep my twists in for 2 weeks, they begin to kind of lock on me. I sectioned my hair off like this so that I knew I had like a kind of even amount and didn't get lazy on any particular side. When I was online doing research on starting locks, you guys, it's intense. It's a bit intimidating because you don't want to do them the wrong way, and then like a lot of the forums make you feel like you kind of had to go see a specialist and have it paid and expect to pay like $300 to $1,000, and I was like, what? Nah, my life is easy breezy. I'm not gonna pay $1,000 to get my hair parted in a particular way. No judgment to those of you who do, but I've been doing my own hair for this long, and whatever. I really could care less if my parts were perfect. I just don't care. I've never called myself a perfectionist. I've never been a perfectionist. I don't aim to be perfect. So I just aim for things to look good and to feel good, and for things to feel right in my heart. So that's it. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on my hair and what's going to be happening. And you guys, I know for some of you guys it's going to be a bummer to hear that I am locking my hair, because I know a lot of you guys come to me for your different natural hairstyles and inspirations and product reviews. But homegirl, it is okay, sis. Like, I have so many videos in my natural hair playlist. I'll leave a tag or a little, whatever the eye, when you see that little eye icon, that's going to be my natural hair playlist. Pop up in this, somewhere on this screen. My natural hair playlist. Make sure you check that out. I have done everything to my natural hair. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I wish you nothing but peace and love until next time. Alright, so I wanted to take a quick documentation that today is exactly 1 week since the day that I finished my twist for my starter locks. And okay, this is what I'm experiencing now. Lots of itching. It's itching so bad. I really would like to wash it. I oiled my scalp last night, and that seemed to have soothed things temporarily, because when I woke up in the morning, my hair was itching again. So, to get a closer look at things, my roots, my scalp is, well, yeah, my roots, not my scalp. My roots are super fuzzy. Take a look at my ends. I twisted all the way down to the ends, to the point where there was even like, I was twisting like strings. I 2-strand twisted all the way down to make sure I didn't have any unraveling, and to my knowledge, to what I can see, I have not had any unraveling. At this point, what I've done basically every single night is moisturize using a spray bottle, and then oiled my hair, my roots, all the way up. And I did Bantu knot my hair yesterday, which is why you kind of see a little bit of a curl pattern. Ellis.